Hi, my name is Olumide Kayode. I am a partner work on Data Channel 2 of the SMC Data Channel 2018, which is titled Impact of Urban Weather on Energy Use. The dataset provided comprises of three elements: simulated weather data, an Excel file, and energy simulation output. We spent most of our time trying to explore and make meaning out of the data, to understand the structure, insight into each constant file, and identify a relationship between them. We did exploratory data analysis to identify the main characteristics of the given data. Concerning the overview of our approach, we have several files in different files formats. We use Python 3 in coding and in developing script file. We also use Spider integrated development environment and other software libraries for statistical analysis. For the first question, which entails identifying interesting variations, we try to identify the variance, which is one of the measures of data variations. The table 1 shows some of the interesting variance for the simulated weather data. Likewise, the table 2 illustrates some of the interesting variance for one of the Node 3 files for energy simulation output data. The criteria used in question 2 to identify the building impacted most by external factors like weather are correlation and time ordering. The dependent variables are electricity and gas, while weather attributes are the independent variables. We identified 2 buildings from the HTML files and noticed that the large office was impacted most based on having a higher cumulative sum of 11.0326 for the correlation coefficient R. The table 3 shows the correlation coefficient values for one of the medium office file and one for the large office files. We sum up the absolute value of this file to identify which of the 2 buildings is impacted most. This method can be generalized and used for other files as well. For the last question, which entails interesting visualization, we created scatter plots using matplotlib to identify relationship and trends in the data. The top 2 figures shows the relationship between relative humidity, electricity, and gas, while the last 2 shows for air temperature. We also created a histogram, error bar, and box plot to illustrate some of the interesting visualization of the given data sets. Thanks.